40 kilometers tall. That's how high Olympus Mons on Mars reaches into the sky. To put that in perspective, Mount Everest is only 8.8 kilometers. This thing would dwarf our tallest mountain almost 5 times over. It's not just the largest volcano in the solar system, it's literally the tallest mountain we know of anywhere. And here's what really gets me. If you stood at the base of Olympus Mons, the slope would be so gentle you wouldn't even realize you were on a mountain. But the summit would be beyond the horizon. It's so massive that it curves with Mars itself, just sitting there on another planet, making everything on Earth look tiny.